In this video, we will be reviewing the Lease window. On the right half of the Lease window, you will find the following tabs: Lease, Department GP, Fees and Taxes, and Vehicle. The Lease tab is your main tab in the Lease window. The lease lender should show up by default. If you have multiple lease lenders and another needs to be selected, you can accomplish this by clicking the drop-down arrow to the right of the lender field and choosing the proper bank. Term, factor or rate, residual, security deposit, and acquisition fee can also be modified here. Note: the residual percent is input as a whole number, not a decimal. Also, if applicable, the acquisition fee can be toggled upfront or capped from here. The upfront or capped default can be input into LightYear according to lease lender requirements. The Department GP tab displays a breakdown of the deal gross profit by department, and also is one of two places you can enter or override the F&I reserve calculation. The deal transaction screen is the other. This too is where the cap reduction allocation can be modified on a per deal basis. The Fees and Taxes tab is where you can view a list of all applicable fees and taxes on the lease and also toggle them between capped into the deal or due up front. Checkboxes below the fee or tax will indicate whether it is capitalized or due at the time of inception. The Vehicle tab gives a summary of vehicle information pertaining to the lease. Congratulations! You have successfully completed a review of the tabs in the Lease window.